Hey there, this is John-Hooks, and welcome to my review of Drex. I'm in the members area of it here now in the dashboard, and we're going to come back and actually we're going to do a review of the product, and so we will see this in a little bit. First, let's get on over to my bonus page, which is where you're going to be in order to get through to this product and to this page here. So from YouTube, either next to or beneath this video, go ahead and click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Drex here. You click on that link and it'll take you to this very page right here. All right. So Drex, what is it all about? Well, from the desk of marketing millionaire Billy Darr, who's behind this product, to the hopeful beginner, it reads, are you still not making any money online in 2022? Are you fed up with the BS apps and the courses that don't make any money other than, the vendors? Are you on the brink of quitting because your wife or your brother-in-law, think you're a joke every time you mention making money online? If the answer is yes to any of the above, then this will be the single most important letter you're going to read, and here's why. And it goes into a few things there. Okay, but basically 3 steps is what you need to do. 1, grab a copy of Drex before the price increases. 2, log in, select a viral traffic template and enter any link of your choice, and that's the link to a product or service that you're promoting. And step 3, enjoy the unlimited free traffic the software gets you, in as little as 30 seconds, sometimes even faster than that. All right, so I want to jump into the demo video here. I have a separate demo video, and we will watch that. It'll give you a very good explanation of how this is put together and how it works. And let's go ahead and get started.
Hello and welcome. Welcome to the training session of Drex. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the rate makers. So you can find over here how we can make Facebook and Instagram deals. And let me clarify, you can also have YouTube short and TikTok videos. And for that you have to upgrade yourself. If you are having basic version, then you have to upgrade yourself to get this YouTube short and TikTok video version. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss only about the Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. So what I was telling is that Reels are a very approaching way to go viral. Way a long video take time to reach the people, to impress them. It is very easy, and you maintain the trick also to make short video to reach out to more and more people, because nowadays people love short things, starting from the reels and everything. Always prefer the shorter thing. So without wasting any time, let me go deeper in subject. So here we are. The first thing you will see whenever you open this editor is the template that is available over here. So all templates are being designed by our professional graphics designer, and you can any one of them, and this will be available on your canvas. So if you are thinking that you have to use this video that is available on this screen, then it is not. You can change the video. How? You can upload your own video if you want, and to get it from our library, that is also possible. Just write down the topic, on which topic you want the video. Then you have to click over it, and the same video will be available over here, and then you have to adjust it as per the ratio. Okay, now after video you can add image also. So having any logo, or you want to add any image. Suppose for so here we got a bag, and we can place it over here to make this video more attractive. Okay, so here you can find also the library option and the upload option. You can upload image from your own computer, and now after that you can have the text, just like the text over here. Just like this, if you want to add anything more. So like this way, and also you can change the font from here, and you can change the font size also. You can make it transparent. You can change the line height, the letter spacing, the border weight, and you can arrange the layer. And after all, if you don't like it, you can delete it, or if you want, you can make a copy of this. Okay, now the next part, which is very interesting, because you can find many elements over here, starting from icon, doodles, bubbles, overlays, social, and celebration, and all of this. And all these things are very attractive, and you can use it, means you can use any one of these according to your need, and you can place it on your video. Because whenever we are using any video, there must be a section when we are using any one of these. Maybe some video need icon, maybe some video need this overlays, maybe some video have this CTA button option. So you have to judge in which video what you have to put. Based on that, you can decorate your video in that way that everyone should like and everyone should attract to your video. Okay, so after that you can add audio from our library, whatever it is available, or you can upload your own music, but make sure it has to be 1 MB size. Okay, the one I have missed, that is filter. So by using filter, you can make your video more attractive. Okay, now there is layers, which you can delete, you can disable, you can make it the layer up or down. So based on that, you can download this video. But before downloading, I will recommend you to go to this site settings and make this pop-up allow. And only after that, you can download this page. So the same way you can do the Instagram Reels. The templates are different, you can see. And the YouTube short and TikTok videos also available. As I have already told you that if you want YouTube short and TikTok video feature, then you have to upgrade yourself from the basic version. Thank you. See you on the next video.
All right. And so, yeah, sorry for the ratio there. I didn't have the whole thing on the screen, but you got to see the main parts of it here. So this type of reel maker is not a brand new concept. I've seen different versions of it in the past. They're all pretty similar. But of course, if you're fairly new, you haven't seen them before, this is the latest. And if it's of interest to you, then you can, certainly think about going ahead and picking that up. So let's talk about picking it up. Well, what is it going to cost? All right, so Drex, $17, but there is an exit pop-up that offers you a $5 coupon, and so you can get it for $12. All right, not too bad for $12. Okay, so then there are a number of upsells. Upsell number 1, the Unlimited Edition. The Unlimited Edition of Drex has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. Upsell, and that's for $39. The Done For You version, if you want everything made for you, done for you, $297. Upsell number 3, the Automated Edition for $39, is that you'll be able to activate all of the automation tools within Drex. Upsell number 4, Done For You Template Club for $39. You'll get 200 customizable video templates that you can use with Drex. Upsell number 5 is the 50 time click and go campaigns for $39. And that's where we'll give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns, and they copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. All right. And so benefits of Drex: unlimited free traffic in 30 seconds, 200 plus viral traffic templates created for beginners, $250 a day case study included. You can attain the laptop lifestyle, 10 times your money back with the 90-day money-back guarantee. Upgrade your life, for the better. Plus, get traffic or get paid $500. So if you do not get traffic from this, Billy Dar and Company will not only give you your money back, but give you $500. All right. So, of course, we talked about the money-back guarantee. Now, there is the demo video here that will be in better aspect ratio than what I just showed you. And so you can always come back and watch that. And you can click the banners on my page, the red banners on my page at any time to go ahead and pick up your copy of Drex today. Red banners are, all over the place on my page here. So I do have some bonuses if you're interested in picking up Drex through my links today. The first one is called the Super Shakedown. And that's the insight secrets of the super affiliates, with a series of master classes, case studies, and additional trainings help you unlock the code and breakthrough to start earning serious money online. Bonus number 2 is YT Velocity. Unlock the set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. Bonus number 3 is called Triple Traffic. These are traffic sources, that help, get more eyeballs on your offers. Bonus number 4 is monthly income system, another method of creating and generating and sustaining monthly income in your online business. And bonus number 5, essential emails. Emails will be an essential part of your business. Once you have the leads and the traffic, you will need to continue that engagement with emails. And this here tutorial teaches you and shows you the essential emails that you'll need to keep that traffic and keep those customers. Bonus number 6 are the bonuses that Drex are giving you through me today. So when you purchase Drex, I will then give you the bonuses from Drex. All right. And again, at any time, go ahead and click on any of the red banners on my page. It'll get you over to your secure checkout, which is through Warrior Plus platform. And let me go ahead and ask you to please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do the thumbs up and click that bell. Thank you very much. Well, we've come to the end of my review, and I want to thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses for Drex today. And as always, to your success.